What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are having a great day. I got a couple things. First off, I'd like to give a huge shout out to Bruce. He got this beautiful I'm gonna put actually a picture of it right here. This Harvest Bronze, if I'm not mistaken, if I'm saying it right. Can't really oh yeah, the bronze, Harvest Bronze is what I'm thinking about it. I'm gonna put a few pictures of it right here. Truck looks beautiful. I kind of wish I almost went with that after kind of seeing it through pictures and not really seeing it through the online on their website. The pictures that you sent me look amazing. I'm gonna share these right here. And yeah, congratulations on your ZR2. I know he sent me a huge list of all his issues that he was having. He bought it and it's been in the shop for like 21 days or so, and he was about to put his first payment on it and wasn't in the garage, but now it is. So congratulations. So on this channel, I've been trying to really get it towards more of the off-roading and everything else. You know, obviously we don't have the truck. The WRX is still here, unfortunately, but I would like to start talking about some of the gear I have for when we go off-roading and we're doing a lot of the camping and stuff, especially when it comes to waking up in the morning. One of my favorite things when I get up in the morning, I make coffee. I think this is not a sponsored video by any means. This is probably one of my favorite things, and I use this every time when I went out off-roading, especially with my fiance and my son when we went down to land between the lakes and, you know, South Dakota, Moab, and stuff like that. This thing is always this thing's a lifesaver. This is the Flash jetboil. I know they make a few other ones. I know like Walmart has a few different ones. I'll kind of just put a couple up. This one is kind of more on the expensive side. This boils water in about 100 seconds, which is roughly around 120 seconds or so. About 1 liter of water, so that usually gives you around 2 cups of coffee or so. The nice thing about this is pretty universal. You can cook with it, you can get your hot water, coffee, which is pretty incredible, and it comes with like, the coffee is more like a French press than anything. And the nice thing is everything is built inside. You can get a small cartridge, which I only have this kind of the big ones right here, where you can store it, so that's all you have to carry, which is really a big saver of space. Burner is at 9,000 BTUs, which is pretty hot. I think my I love JetBoil, by the way. I'm a big JetBoil fan. Like I said, this is not a sponsored video. This is just a video I wanted to kind of put out there. I know there's tons of them out there, and I just want to kind of give you guys my review about it. This thing's been amazing. Now we're just going to talk about it. So like I said, here is the JetBoil. I'm going to move my phone out of the way. Obviously this is everything that comes with it. The nice thing is about right here is the heat sensor-ish, what you want to call it. When the water gets hot, this gets really orange, so it tells you that the water is good. One thing nice that comes with this. You can use it as a bowl, you can use it as a coffee cup and whatnot. So like I said, everything is really compact on this, so that's pretty nice to have. Obviously on top you have your, you know, where you sip out of. That's your plunger for your coffee, and then you have your vents if you're, you know, kind of cooking up food and whatnot. So it all comes with this. You got your base. This is actually for your fuel can. Like I said, in here you can actually store the smallest one in here. Unfortunately, I don't have the small can on me at this time. And then it comes with your little plunger for your coffee. And this is just how I have it. So I like to, instead of kind of grabbing it and ruining it, I just kind of just screw this in, pull this up, and there's your little coffee plunger, your French press. And then you have your burner. This thing is obviously, as you can see right here, I use it quite a bit, and I need to clean it up a little bit since the last time I used it. And the nice thing about here is it's basically all in one. This part screws in obviously your canister. You have your plus and minus on, you know, your flame adjustment and your little igniter. So it's pretty simple. What we're gonna do, obviously I have this one. I got a lot of jetboil stuff, so I already kind of pre-practiced one on here. Actually, this one actually goes with this one. So, and all you have to do is push that on, and then it's kind of locked. Make sure it's all nice and flat, nice, sturdy. And then just kind of screw this part on. So there you go. And then nice thing about here, you have all your heat vents right here that kind of really help make sure the heat gets directly in here. Like I said, this gets boiling water in roughly around a minute 30 or a minute 20, I'm sorry, 100 seconds. So, and then one thing on here, I don't know if you guys can see very well. Let's see here. I don't know if you can see, but right about here there's a line that says max safe, or 2 cups of water is, which is around 2 cups of coffee. Just screw that on there, onto the base plate. You can literally pick this thing up, the whole thing. So what I'm gonna do is, I got some kind of cold water right here. We are gonna make some coffee. So there's about the safe level of it. And then just for you guys, got my iPad out here. So there's a stopwatch right there, so you guys can see on how fast this thing boils. So I'm going to start the canister. Obviously you can hear it right there, and then look at that. Minute 20, it was kind of going. I was a little late on the stoppage, but that's nice and hot. And the side, I don't know if you can, if I can twist it. Yeah, you can see it a little bit. That is nice and orange, so you know you got it hot. So what I love to do, of course I don't really have my spoon on me, so what I like to do, grab a little cup of coffee, let that kind of simmer in there. You can also kind of turn it on low, let that kind of get boiling up a little bit. Since it's already nice and hot, it's not going to take very long. Get that all kind of going. There you go. Alright, turn that off. And then sit there and let that soak for about a good 5 minutes. And we'll jump back into it. So now you got your nice warm cup of coffee going. It's actually pretty simple. You know, grab this and take your plunger or ish, stick it right through here, and I'll always make sure that the fins are facing up. Twist that on. I know it's kind of hard to see, but then you can just unhook this part, put that to the side. And then nice part is all you do is basically push down all the way down until it stops. It's going to stop the coffee from going in, and then got yourself a nice hot coffee. So that's kind of You got your nice little hot coffee going on. Tasty. But the nice thing is, like, right here, if I can kind of pop this up. Ooh, that's hot. Locked it in. I'll show you guys. So this screen right here, actually it's probably gonna be kind of hard to see. It locks in all the coffee grounds down there. If you don't know what a French press is, you're basically pressing all the coffee down to here, and the top part is gonna be your coffee. And that's how you can start your day on the trail. So that's kind of my quick little review of the Jetboil. Like I said, I absolutely love this thing. And this thing is kind of expensive. It is about 138, 140 bucks. So I mean, you can see the orange right here now. Now that it's not on the burner. So you know, if you're gonna have one thing, definitely get the Jetboil, or you got the cheaper ones. I think around 60, 70 bucks. I mean, obviously you're paying for the Jetboil name, and yeah. So, but on that note, I got a quick little update on you for you guys. My truck should be in about 3 weeks, or I hope, as long as they don't go on strike. So we got about three weeks left until the truck's on this channel. So please stay tuned. If you are new to this channel and seeing this, smash that like button, smash the subscribe button. Greatly appreciated. We're going to talk more about some more new camping gear. I'm just kind of going over some of my old camping gear that I have going on right now, and we got some new stuff coming. So stay tuned, smash that like button, smash that subscribe button. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.